Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you. I have a new Foldit, and this is called the String Art Heart. It's almost a mouthful, String Art Heart. And it is awesome because not only is it a Foldit, meaning it's a shaped card that fits in a standard envelope, but it is gorgeous and it's so intricate and detailed. And you know what? We're gonna demo this one in a little bit on the video. And I have fun samples, so stay tuned. I also have to release today a new background die. This is for our slimline dies, and this one is called the Circle Bubble Slimline Panel. And this one is really fun because it has all of those fun little bubbles. Perfect for your fish stamps and dies that you just got, club members. Isn't that like the perfect background? And for the mermaid, and I got another wonderful stack of samples to share with you. Lastly, I have two new items that are so new, I don't even have the packaging yet, but guess what? They're on our website right now. It is a new alphabet set. It's called Skinny Mini, and these dies are really a great size. So the shadow, because it has the letter and the shadow is approximately, dun, 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 2 inches. It's a great size, and it comes with all of the alphabet, and you can also buy the numbers as well if you want to, okay? So isn't that exciting? And you know what? It's Skinny Mini is fun, and I have a couple samples to share with you on that. Are you ready? Let's get the samples. Here we go. Here is that fun string heart in the background using our cute little aquarium set. And don't forget, this string art is not just for Valentine's Day. So here's one, you make me feel all mushy inside. I love you. Here's a pretty one. So it's not just any, it can be any color. Here's a gorgeous one with gold foil. Here's a fun one. You hold the key. Isn't that cute? That has that's our lock set that we had, and our key dies, which are really fun. Here's one that I just made when I was testing just to see what it looked like, and look at how fun that is. Those lines just go really nice, and it's a really great intricate die. It's fun. Here's one with the background decorated, grateful. Or you could put it on a card if you want to. For my guy. Perfect for guys, right? We always need guy cards. Here's one, where would I be without you? You don't have to use the whole heart if you don't want you. You can use part of it. I like that. Here's one, thinking of you. Now here's the Skinny Mini. Are you guys ready for this? You guys are gonna love the Skinny Mini. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Look at that, friend. Isn't that awesome? It's a great size. This is using it without the shadow. You can also use it with the shadow. So there it is with the shadow with foil paper, and there it is without the shadow. So it's mix and match. You get to decide. Now let's look at that bubble background for the slimline. Okay, hello, look at how cute that little mermaid is. The funny thing is my design team kind of had the same idea. Look, two different designers, almost the exact same. Isn't that fun? But you can see how cute it is, using those for the fun bubbles and for the under the sea type things. Or you can do something totally different and do a happy retirement. Isn't that gorgeous? You don't have to make it look like bubbles if you don't want to. Here's another underwater theme. Here's another one with the sea turtles. We love those sea turtles, don't we? They're so fun. The fun thing about those sea turtles is they have different patterns to put on the backs of their, when you stamp them, so they can have different patterns. Here's one, a wedding card. Look at that. And they said, I do. Isn't that gorgeous? Look how pretty that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. Then here's another one using the aquarium, or the tank, if you want to call it the tank. Let's party. That's so cute. I wish you a great birthday. I love that background. And here's a fun one on a rounded corner edge of slimline. Cool. Isn't that cute? All those cute little fish. Now, I wanted to share with you a Foldit, because sometimes people are not sure what a Foldit is. So what is a Foldit? A Foldit is a shaped card that fits in a standard envelope. And this one's really fun because it has all that fun intricate. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna die cut this one, and I have a piece of adhesive backed cardstock already. So I'm gonna lay that down and I'm gonna run that through my machine first. So this is just the front. I am using the adhesive backed cardstock because I wanna make sure that I don't have to add the little pieces of adhesive on there, because you know what? Chances are it's gonna get stringy and it's gonna get icky and it's not gonna work well, right? So I'm just gonna use the adhesive backed cardstock. I just put one of our adhesive sheets on the back, and I'm gonna run this through, but you know what? Because you're watching, I'm gonna run it back through. I always find when people are watching, the best thing to do is to run it through twice. Okay, so now I have this, and I'm gonna actually put this off to the side, and I have all those extra little pieces, and in fact, I can just poke this through right there, and there I will have my heart. It's all cut out pretty, but we'll not worry about any of that piece yet. Then we're gonna get another color, and we'll make a Valentine card. Let's use pink for just the background. So now I'm gonna take the heart and I'm going to lay this down. I'm gonna do it 2 different times. First, I'm gonna fold my cardstock. Fold it in half. Just like that, that's the hardest part. Fold it in half. On the back of your die, and I realize it's kind of hard to see on the camera, on the back of the die, it's gonna tell you where to place the fold. If you want it to fold at the top, you're gonna use the place folds here that are up at the top. If you want it to fold on the side, you use the side one. I want mine to fold on the side today, so I'm gonna lay that down, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that the fold is on the inside of the die. So I'm gonna lay that right there, and I'm gonna drop my cutting pad right on top, and I'm gonna run this through. Easy peasy. I told you, folding the cardstock was the hardest part. So I'm running that through, and now I'm gonna have a card-shaped heart. Now look at this. I have my little heart. There it is, right? I'm gonna open it up, and there's my card. Now, you're looking at this and going, ooh, but I don't like that. That looks awful, right? Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna die cut another one, and sometimes I have enough room on this paper. Looks like I'm going to. I'm gonna take this same cardstock. Sometimes you have to get another sheet, and let's just trim it down to make it easier to go through the machine. And I'm going to grab this right here, and let's see if we can fit this guy on there. Sometimes you can, sometimes you need an extra sheet, but it looks like it's gonna work. I'm gonna run that through regular. I'm just running this through regular, like a normal die, right? Normal cardstock, normal die. And now I have the heart cut out perfect. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this heart, lay it right on top, and now I don't have that funny edge. I have the perfect heart. Okay, then I am going to add my fun string art heart. String art heart. I'm gonna peel off the back of the adhesive, and most of the extra little pieces are just gonna come right off. Give it a flick if you need to. There we go. And I am going to lay this down right there in the center. Look at how fun that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, if I wanted to, I could die cut a couple more of these in different colors and take these pieces and actually piece it back together if I wanted to. Now, that's a lot of work, so I'm not gonna do that today, but you could do that. So now I'm gonna add some adhesive to the back of my heart, the one that cuts out perfect, that's cut out perfect, and I'm gonna lay that right on top. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this, look at this. And now I have the perfect folded heart string art. String heart art. String art heart. I don't know, whatever. But isn't that awesome? Now I can write my little message, and that is so fun and so easy. I know, all the Foldits are that easy. Isn't that awesome? Shaped cards are so fun because they just change it all up a bit. They're not strange rectangles, they're boring rectangles, they're fun. Club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you've got to go check it out. Join the stampsoflife.com. Go check it out. You'll see how awesome the club is. And also, any of these projects, if I went a little too fast, don't worry. They're all on our website. Every product has an online gallery, so you can go to that item and click on the button and see all of these wonderful projects and a lot more. Thank you so much, and guess what? I'll see you at thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Bye.